If you are one of those people who have recently started to watch Kannada movies after KGF, then this movie can be one of the movies that you should be really excited about. So hey everyone, my opinion here. Let's talk about this upcoming Kannada movie, The Birth 10,000 BC. Before I present my opinions on this upcoming movie, I would like to share some details about the movie. The Birth 10,000 BC is a Kannada movie which is going to be released in multiple languages, English included. The movie is directed by Dr. Vikram starring Pratap Rana. The trailer starts with the title written as first time in India. It shows that a movie like this has never been made in Indian cinema. And as the trailer continues, we get to see a man who is all alone, and then a title comes and it states that this movie is going to be about an unknown legend and his story of survival. As far as I could comprehend, what this movie is going to be about will be the birth of humans. These are strictly my opinions, but I feel like the movie is going to show how, as humans, we have evolved from naked giants to well structured society. It is going to be the epic tale of how the mankind was born and what were the challenges that we have to face in order to come where we are. As from the trailer, it looks like there will only be a single actor for this movie through which the story will be portrayed. Now, honestly speaking, I don't even have the slightest of idea about who the director is and who the actor is. I am not familiar with their previous works. That was only when I was scrolling through YouTube and got recommended this movie's trailer, I watched it and found it interesting. But no one out there is talking about this movie, so I decided I'll take the initiative. Well, let's talk about what stands out in the trailer of the movie. Well, there are a couple of things that are really made me interested about this movie, one of them being the BGM of the trailer. It is powerful, engaging and thrilling at the same time. I don't know much about the technicalities of the movie, but from whatever I have seen in the trailer, the cinematography and color gradation of the movie is very nice. And the camera angles from where the shots have been taken are pretty impressive too. If KGF was not enough, here one more movie is getting ready from Kannada film industry which has potential to do wonders. But often we have seen some good movies like this come and go and people don't give a damn about it. It can be a path-breaking movie for Kannada film industry which is very different from how the other movies are made in Kannada film industry. Some people dare to think differently and take huge risks only to show others what they are capable of. Kannada film industry, which is unfortunately the least known film industry from southern industry, has all the potential to become the next big thing. After KGF, the whole India is looking towards Kannada film industry, so it becomes very important for them to capitalize on this opportunity, just like Telugu cinema did with the success of Bahubali. I know the commercial entertainer movie are important, they play a huge role in pulling the fans and the family audience to the theater, but on the other hand, there should be some movies made that will appeal to all sort of audience irrespective of language. Rakshit Sethi, one of my favorite from Kannada film industry, has proven that it can be done, but the initiative has to be taken. So ending the video on the note that The Birth 10,000 BC movie trailer is worth watching. Hope the movie do not disappoint after a good trailer. So that was the video guys, hope you liked it, and if you did then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Yours truly, my opinion.